This morning, we see Allbirds, a former shoe company, announced it's pivoting to AI infrastructure and rebranding as NewBird AI, backed by a $50 million financing facility. The stock surged over 100% pre market. We missed the initial move, but randomly turned on long mode under VWAP, and the algo took starter positions on the 10-second dip and the 1 and 5 minute breakouts. Yesterday, we learned that the SEC approved the change to the PDT rule from 25K to only a 2K minimum account balance to be a day trader. While we wait for that change to be implemented, this is actually the perfect time to test Raider trading in a simulated account so you're ready when the door opens. All right, back to today's stock. Price finally breaks through VWAP as volume picks up and triggers every compound ad target in sequence. The algo scales in methodically and sells for maximum profit as price blasts through the highs. Textbook execution. No hesitation, no emotion, just precision scaling on the way up. We capture over 2,100 in profit in under 5 minutes. I was tempted to turn long mode back on, but I decided to head to the golf course early instead. Price wound up climbing to over $13, a shoe company that turned into an AI stock. I did leave a lot on the table, but the algo did its job. Win or lose, I post every trade. Link below to see how the software works. Subscribe for daily recaps, and I'll see you on the next one.